First and foremost, I just want to thank you for allowing me the chance to show you what an amazing opportunity affiliate marketing really is. It truly changed my life, and I'm excited to share this with you, and hopefully we can find a way to do the same for you. So we're hopefully going to get through this in less than 10 minutes. I'm just going to kind of show you what Fast Affiliate Funnels is all about and why I think it really could be the key to you getting some traction and finding some success, in your online business. So this is the Shopify Partners Dashboard. This is one of many affiliate programs that I promote. I probably promote close to a dozen affiliate programs. You can see there's my picture up there, and MadCam Publishing is my business. Now, you can see that over 2018, which was last year, I just kind of go through this. You can see I was doing pretty well with this one. And the cool thing about this is all done by generating free traffic or generating leads with free traffic. So all these numbers here, you can see these payouts that I'm getting every 2 weeks. This is like 99% profit, guys. And I'm going to show you why I'm able to do this and how you can copy all this in just a second. Because there's really, as I mentioned before, there's one thing that kind of makes the difference. So what I did is I exported numbers from this one affiliate program alone. And this is since I started this affiliate program. And if we go ahead and just sum this out here, these are the affiliate commissions that I've earned since I started here. And that's in row H. You can see that since I started this affiliate program, I've made just over $180,000 with this one affiliate program. So that's not too bad. That's about 2 years I've done that. But guys, that's just the tip of the iceberg here. Because what this is front end commissions, meaning this is what I earn just on bringing people into my email list. And I'm going to show you how all this is done in just a second. But what you're not considering here is you're not considering the fact that I'm building an email list. Okay. So look at this. This is my autoresponder. This is what holds my emails and then sends emails out automatically. I'm sure you've seen this before. I'm sure you've opted into email lists before and you get automated messages. Well, that's an autoresponder, and this is my autoresponder. And I'm not going to get into too many details of this because once again, I just want to go through the whole overview of this really quickly for you here. But the number you really need to pay attention to is this apply the Shopify lead tag. And what this is when people come onto this workflow, it was what it's called in the software that I use, but it's an automated email sequence that sends people emails, every day or every 2 days or whatever, however you set it up. What this number is this is 32,000 people have come in through this particular email sequence for this one affiliate program. What that means is with free traffic, I've been able to generate over 32,000 leads for free. Once again, just for this program. Well, once you have these leads, guys, then you can follow up with subsequent and additional affiliate offers. And this is the back end, and this is where even more money is made. So take, for instance, this thing. This is about a year. Take this picture. I love this picture. So this is about a year after I started this. Okay, this was back in 2017. And this is about a year after I started the Shopify one. And this was a related e-commerce product. And I love this picture because this was, at the time, this was my best. It was like 10 days. In 10 days, I did $44,000 in commissions, guys. And I got this paid with a check over the course of 2 separate payments. And at the time, it was by far the biggest lump sum of money I'd ever received at one point. And you can see there's me with this check, $22,000. I was so proud. But anyways, when I went in and I deposited my bank account, it was funny. The teller, I just went in there dressed all casually, and probably with like a zip up or a hoodie or whatever, and went to deposit this in my account. And the teller looked at me. She goes, "What do you do?" And I was like, "Well, I'm in marketing," and so on and so forth. But anyways, that was really cool. But the point of this is just to show you the opportunity. Now, I really want to show you why this is possible because, as you've probably heard before, there's like 99% of the people struggle to make money with affiliate marketing, yet there's 1% of the population that absolutely crushes it. And it's such a big industry. There's so much potential. It's just absolutely ripe for the picking. And guys, the difference here is the people who are successful, they know how to create the system. And what I call it is it's the piece of cheese. Okay, because what most affiliate marketers do is they go out there and they'll create content. They'll go on YouTube or whatever, and they'll basically link to an affiliate program. But there's no reason for the people who are watching their content to click on their affiliate link. Whereas what I do and other successful affiliate marketers do is they create this piece of cheese. So like for instance, the Shopify, okay? All these gurus are out there. They're trying to promote Shopify dropshipping. What they're trying to do is they're trying to sell an $800 course, and they're just pushing it. Well, what I do as an affiliate marketer is I go out there and I take the easy approach. I create this 8-video series. It's an 8-video course that teaches people step by step how to set up their Shopify store. And guys, if you don't know what Shopify is, it's a hosted e-commerce solution, and it allows people to set up their e-commerce stores online for like $29 a month. And this is what I did. I showed them how to do it step by step. Well, because this is a trend right now, because people are interested in drop shipping and starting their e-commerce business, there's tons of people out there on the internet trying to figure out how to set up their Shopify store because there's no great tutorials on it. So guys, when I create the tutorial and give it away for free, people come into the dashboard, they start learning about this, and then all of my affiliate links are right there in front of them, okay? And they're incentivized then because they're in there, they're learning, they're watching the training, they are more likely to click on my affiliate link. So when they go on to purchase the Shopify program, guys, that's when I make the money. Okay, so it's building out these systems. So this works so well. I did the same thing with affiliate marketing. I have this course. It's a piece of cheese. I give it away for free. It's a 13-video affiliate marketing course. You can get in this for free. All you got to do is click on create your free account. When they create their free account, I capture their email and I put them onto my autoresponder. And then I follow up with them. Well, in this free account, if you see here, let's just go ahead and create a password. I'm already a member. Let's go ahead and log in really quickly. Once they join this free affiliate marketing program, they're going to see 13 videos. It looks very professional. This looks legit, and it is. It teaches good skills. This is the same thing that I do with the Shopify store, okay? Well, once they get in here, they're learning what is affiliate marketing. Why is affiliate marketing the best business for beginners? They click on here. Here's all these videos about how to get started. There's talks about how to get traffic for free. There's talking about the difference between what professional affiliate marketers and amateur affiliate marketers do. Well, the whole time they're in here, in this dashboard, they are watching these videos. They're learning. But here's the key, guys. The whole time they're in this dashboard learning, all my affiliate links are right here. So as they're learning, okay, they need to set up an autoresponder. This is a link. This is my affiliate link. Let's go ahead and open this in a new tab. You can see this takes them over to GetResponse. There's my affiliate URL right in the link there. Well, when people sign up for GetResponse, I'm going to get like a 30% commission of everything that they spend. So say, for instance, someone signs up for GetResponse and they join for a year. Well, I'm going to earn 30% commission on everything they pay to GetResponse over the next year or 2 years or 6 years or 10 years or however long they stay with GetResponse. When they sign up for lead pages, when they sign up for Bluehost, if they sign up for Bluehost, they're going to need hosting for their website, okay? Well, when they sign up for Bluehost, even though it's only $3.95 a month for them as the customer, when people sign up for Bluehost, Bluehost knows that people are going to stick with them for X number of years. So they pay an upfront commission of $65 every time someone joins. So if I refer a customer to a service that costs $3.95 a month and this customer joins, Bluehost is still going to give me $65 upfront. That's why this is such a powerful affiliate program. And once again, guys, I'm not just offering my affiliate links, I'm showing them how to use it by creating this affiliate marketing course. Here's all my affiliate links over here as well. And then I just follow up with them in email. And it's all set up on an autoresponder. And guys, I'm not selling them anything. I'm just reminding them, hey, it's been a while since you've been in the course. Jump back in the course. Here's more things you need to know. Get back in the course. Basically, all I'm doing, guys, is getting people in this dashboard where my affiliate links are. Okay? Same thing I did with Shopify. Same thing I'm doing with affiliate marketing. And it just simply works. Okay, now here's the part where you can copy this system, guys. This is how the whole thing comes together. All of these courses, these websites, they're all hosted on ClickFunnels, okay? If you're not familiar, ClickFunnels is an all-in-one hosting solution. So you don't need hosting and to build out a WordPress website and all these different things. It's all hosted in one spot. So what you can do is, this is why I built Fast Affiliate Funnels, guys. If you join Fast Affiliate Funnels today, what you can do is you can go in there and you can download these, what I call pieces of cheese, these courses, these pre-built websites into your ClickFunnels account with one click. All you do, guys, is you click on the link inside Fast Affiliate Funnels. Then let's say, for instance, you wanted to promote the affiliate marketing funnel. It's going to automatically import this entire website into your ClickFunnels account. And just like that, you're going to have your own unique URL, which you can start referring traffic to. But you can see, guys, your membership area will be instantly populated with all the videos that I shot. And what I did is I white labeled this, guys, so I don't talk about myself, my brand. It's just voiceover slideshow or voiceover slides. So this can come across as a completely white labeled solution, meaning no one's going to know if it's your course or if it's my course, because I don't mention myself. I did this specifically so you all could copy the system. Then all you have to do is just go into this editor here. And for instance, you just open this one in an editor and you're going to see this is all drag and drop ease. All you do is you go into this particular funnel and this particular page. And remember, we take a look at this page with all my affiliate links on it. Just go to all these programs and sign up for the affiliate program, which it's free to do. It's always free to sign up for an affiliate program. And then just swap out your links. Click on this button. Go ahead and click on set action. Instead of my affiliate URL, just add your affiliate URL. Just click save and you're done. Once you swap out all these links, guys, then you can start driving traffic to your own course. Okay, just like that, you can be up and running as soon as tonight. And that's how amazing it is, guys. And so here's the deal. Right now, this is an amazing idea that I had and people are absolutely loving it. So we're continuing to build out more and more funnels, giving you more affiliate opportunities. Then it just comes down to traffic. And people always say, like, traffic, how do I get traffic? It's so hard to get traffic, visitors, people. And the fact of the matter, guys, is traffic's not the problem. It's conversions that are the problem. Because you don't have this back end system, this piece of cheese, you can't get the conversions. But once you have these systems, these trainings that bring people along and get them to click on your affiliate links, then conversions happen. Well, traffic is simple, guys. I'll show you 3 fast and quick ways to get traffic right now. And then I'll give you an opportunity to join Fast Affiliate Funnels at a special beta price that we're offering right now. So the first thing you can do is you can go over to Quora.com. It's a question and answer site. So let's say you're promoting the affiliate marketing Fast Affiliate Funnel because it's got like 5 different commission opportunities in there. So you just go over to Quora.com, type in affiliate marketing, and you see questions come up. How can I start affiliate marketing? So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on how can I start affiliate marketing. If you need to, just do a little research on Google and then answer these questions to the best of your ability. Okay, just type in your answer, put some images in there. And guys, I show you how to do all this right inside Fast Affiliate Funnels as well. But then all you'll do is you'll post a link to, let's go back to this really quickly. So let's say this is your funnel, the home page here. All you would do, guys, is just simply copy this URL. And you can use your own, you can choose your own domain or host it on a ClickFunnels subdomain if you want. It's entirely up to you, it doesn't matter. And then when you paste that link into your answer, it says here's a free affiliate marketing course. So people are going to come in here on Quora that already has traffic and say, how can I start an affiliate marketing course? They're going to read your answer. They're going to click on your link. And guys, this will, once you submit this, you can see, go ahead and delete this. When they're going through here, they're reading your answer, and then they click on your link. It takes them right to the homepage of your course. Then when they create their free account, I'm already logged in, so it's not going to let me do it. But you can see, guys, it'll automatically collect their email address and put it into the autoresponder. Okay? Let's see. Go ahead and delete that answer. Okay, that's just one way to get free traffic. The other way is to go onto YouTube and start creating videos to get free traffic, guys. And everyone thinks you need to be like super professional to be on YouTube. And the thing is there's so many like gurus out there saying, here's how you make $7,000 a day, and they've been doing it for 12 years. Those people are not relatable. If you just go onto YouTube and be relatable, traffic will find you. Then you can offer links to your free trainings, which get people into your brand. And that's the piece of cheese that bring people into you. Like, look, this is a perfect example here. Look at this video. This looks like this is some soldier or what have you who's trying to start on ClickBank. And I'm not going to play this video, but basically she just takes her phone or whatever camera she has, and she just talks about her experience with ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is an affiliate network, okay, that people can join and do affiliate marketing with, okay? Well, she just talks about her experience, guys. This video has 78,000 views, okay? 78,000 views is incredible. Imagine if just 1% of those people came onto your list. Okay, 700 people came onto your list. At least some of those people are going to click and sign up for Bluehost, let's say, and earn you a $65 commission. So once again, you just have to go out there, create the content, and be relatable. If you don't want to go on YouTube, don't worry about it. Just go over to Facebook and create your own Facebook group. Don't spam other people's Facebook groups. Create your own Facebook group. Like, create affiliate marketing working from home. Look at this, 64,000 members, 43,000 members, 52,000 members. These Facebook groups, Facebook wants to promote your Facebook group, guys, because they want people interacting on Facebook, and people are more likely to interact on Facebook when they are part of a group. So Facebook will promote your affiliate group to other people who are interested in affiliate marketing. Then when you have this group, you just put posts in your group saying, hey, come check out my free affiliate marketing course. And then people will come and join your course. They'll click your affiliate links. They'll get on your email list. You can send them follow-up emails for subsequent offers as well. Guys, it's all that simple. Once again, Fast Affiliate Funnels has all this for you. So just to recap, Fast Affiliate Funnels is going to have the one-click access to the courses, which all you need for that is a ClickFunnels account. Once you get into Fast Affiliate Funnels, guys, I'm going to give you a link for a 14-day free trial to ClickFunnels. That way you can get this set up for free before they start charging you. You can start driving traffic. This is going to give you 2 weeks to get a head start. So you definitely want to take advantage of that. The other thing is I have the automated sequences for you. Now you can either go one of two ways in this. If you use my autoresponder system, which I think starts at $49 a month, you can just one-click import my entire follow-up series. If you want to use a different autoresponder like GetResponse or Aweber, which are a little bit cheaper, or even MailChimp, which is 100% free for your first 2,000 subscribers, no problem, guys. Just copy and paste the emails into that autoresponder. It takes a little bit more work, but guys, you can use a much cheaper autoresponder. Once again, it just depends on what you want to do. You can either one-click import it, or you can copy and paste it. It does not matter. So all you really need to get started, guys, is the ClickFunnels. And then you can import my funnels and get started with affiliate marketing the right way. Now, one last thing I want to show you here is, at the very least, guys, if you were to pay somebody to go out and design these funnels for you, that doesn't even count the training, the hours of training that I put into it, the 8 video series I put in for Shopify, the 13 video series that I put in for affiliate marketing. That doesn't even count the training. If you just want someone just to design your funnel, you can go over to Upwork. And Upwork, if you're not familiar, is a site where you can find freelancers. And if you type in ClickFunnels Funnel Designer, okay, you can see these people charge $87 an hour, $50 an hour, $85 an hour, $95 an hour, $55 an hour, $100 an hour, okay, just to design your funnel, just to design the website, guys, just to design this alone, not including the content. You're going to have to pay upwards of $50 to $100 an hour. Guys, you can see how valuable this is. This is how professional affiliate marketers do it, guys, and I'm happy to share it with you. I'm really excited. There is nothing else out there like this that I've ever seen. So this is a rare opportunity. I'm glad you stumbled across it here today. Get access to all the funnels, all future updates, plus the training that's going to show you how to get everything set up and show you how to start driving traffic for free. All right, thank you so much for watching. Once again, there's a link around this video. Sign up and take action, guys. This could be the change that you're looking for. Have a great day.